Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Iris KashFlow account for bookkeeping. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you import or upload your customer list into your KashFlow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your customer list into Iris KashFlow anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a new service provider and you need to bring your customer list with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Iris KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Iris KashFlow account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import your customer list, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Sales. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on Customers. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all of your customer list. And in order to import another customer list, up here on the top right, you're going to click on these three dots next to Add Customer. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and click on Import. Okay, so depending on where you're coming from, you can import your list from QuickBooks or from Sage. So you can just click on those buttons. But a more common way is if you're going to upload a spreadsheet of your customers. So it's going to be a CSV file right here. So I'm going to click here. Okay, next, in order to import a spreadsheet of your customers, you need to enter in your username and your password. This is for your KashFlow account. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, next it's going to bring you here to the CSV importer. So I'm not sure why, but it's asking the file type because there's only one file type. So make sure you've chosen CSV and then click on next. Okay, next, go ahead and choose what data you're going to be importing. Today we are importing our customer list. So I'll click here, customer, and next. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the file for your customer list from your desktop. Okay, next you want to click on upload. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose which fields you're going to go ahead and import. So right up here, you can see ignore, or you can go ahead and map it out. So for example, this is their first name. So I'm going to go ahead and click there and then choose first name. And then here is their email. So instead of ignore, I'm going to choose email right here. And then you just continue on through until you're finished. Okay, so once you've mapped it out, go ahead and click on import. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show success here on the left. So now we can go ahead and jump back into our Iris KashFlow dashboard. Okay, so here I am back in the dashboard. Let me go click on sales and then customers. And as you can see, we have now uploaded our customer list into our KashFlow. So we can go ahead and start sending them invoices, or we can send them quotes directly from the customer screen. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into your KashFlow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.